How to get your iPhone reminders working again. Check Reminders settings. Go to Settings and tap Notifications. Navigate to Reminders. Make sure Allow Notifications is turned on and select the preferred alert style. Turn on Time-Sensitive Notifications and Badges. Then, tap Sounds and select a notification sound. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Reopen the Reminders app. Swipe up from the middle bottom until you access the app switcher. Locate the Reminders app and swipe up on it to close. Wait for a few seconds and reopen the app again. Restart the iPhone. Restarting your iPhone provides a fresh start, allowing the operating system to close any misbehaving processes and refresh system resources. It could resolve issues that are preventing reminders from working correctly. Check the iCloud Reminders server. Problems with the iCloud Reminders server can lead to synchronization problems, causing reminders to not appear or update correctly. Verifying the server status can help you identify whether the problem lies with iCloud connectivity. Go to apple.com/support/system-status/ to check the iCloud Reminder server status. Turn off Scheduled Summary. In the device settings, go to Notifications. Select Scheduled Summary and turn off the feature. Turn off the focus mode. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. If a focus mode is turned on, tap the icon to deactivate it. Then, tap the focus button. Next to the focus mode that was previously enabled, tap the three dots and go to Settings. Under Set a Schedule or Custom Schedule, tap the Set Time and choose Delete Schedule. Enable Reminders in iCloud. Open Settings and tap on your Apple ID. Go to iCloud. Choose Show All and make sure Reminders are toggled on. Update iOS. Open Settings and go to General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Update Now. Reinstall Reminders app. Hold the Reminders app until a menu pops up. Select Remove App, tap Delete App, and confirm the action. Then, go to the App Store and search for the Reminders app. Tap the arrow with a cloud icon to re-download Reminders again. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app and select General. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset and tap Reset all settings. Enter the iPhone passcode and confirm the action. Reset to factory settings. Resetting your phone to factory settings will erase all your data, so be sure to back up your important files and information beforehand. Open the Settings app and go to General. Scroll to the end and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Erase all content and settings. Tap Continue. Follow the instructions on the screen to erase your device and set it up again. To enhance security and recover device space on your iPhone, download the Combo Cleaner app. With the Internet Security feature, Combo Cleaner will protect your web browsing from scams, phishing, malicious downloads, and rogue websites. The password checker lets you see if your password is strong and not easily hackable. This feature will also check the online breaches database and advise if your password is safe. VPN is also included in the app, which encrypts traffic and hides your IP. Identity protection allows you to assess if your data has been exposed. You can check if your data was disclosed in a breach. SMS security filters SMS messages that contain malicious links, which can compromise your data. Photo Cleaner can help you quickly identify and remove similar photos and the ones with quality issues. The Secure Calendar feature scans links in calendar events and notifies you of the rogue ones, protecting your data from theft. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.